Hello and welcome to lasa.africa. Today we'll be doing our product assembly of our lasa HTG HG60CB. Let's go ahead and open up the box. For our first step, we'll be needing 2 parts A, our longest poles, 4 parts B, 4 parts H, and 4 parts I. Let's go ahead and assemble now. Looking at our part A, we'll need 2 parts H on either side. Let's insert. Next, we'll be preparing our parts B with I. We'll do that for all 4. Next, we'll insert B into A. For our next step, we'll be needing 2 G's, 2 E's, and 4 D's. Let's go ahead and assemble now. Our D's will be going on top, and our E's will be going on the sides. Notice there's a marking indicating which side goes to the bottom. For our last step, we'll be needing 4 J's, our wheels, 2 F, and our previous assemblies. Included is the 4 part C's from previous step. Let's go ahead and assemble now. Thank you so much for watching our product assembly of our lasa HTG HG60CB. Please visit us on www.lasa.africa for more product assembly videos and products. Thank you.